Good morning to all. Today our chapter is linear inequation in one variable. Linear inequation in one variable. Just for revision for your coming half yearly exam, I am going to solve some important question from the book ML Agarwal for ICSE class 10 exercise 4. Let me take the question number 33. Let us see the exercise 4 from the book ML Agarwal. I am doing some important question. Just to see 32. Before going to 33, 32 also same type. 32 question will be given. Just to see if x belongs to I means integers, and A is the solution set of 2 whole into x minus 1 less than 3x minus 1, and B is the solution set of 4x minus 3 less than equal to 8 plus x, and you have to find out A intersection B. First of all, you have to find out what is the solution for first inequation, that is A, and second solution set, that is second equation given, you have to solve for A and B. After that, you have to find out A intersection B, means the common element present between the set A and B. Just see how to solve. Here given condition given x belong to integer, I means x belong to integers, and A is the solution set of first inequation 2 whole into x minus 1 less than 3x minus 1, and B is the solution set of second equation, that is in equation 4x minus 3 less than 8 plus x. You have to find out A intersection B. Now first you have to solve first equation, that is 2 whole into x minus 1 less than 3x minus 1. You have to open the bracket, that is 2x minus 2, and this one is 3x minus 1. Do one thing here, minus 2 minus 1 bring this side plus 1, and 3x minus 2x. This is coming here minus 1 less than x. That means x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1 means integer, as it is given integer. That means A is the solution set of first equation in equation. Greater than minus 1 means it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot up to infinity. Okay, this one is the solution set of A. And the second equation given 4x minus 3 less than equal to 8 plus x. After that you write 4x minus x less than equal to 8 plus 3. This one is 4x minus x, how much? 3x less than equal to 8 plus 3, 11. That means x less than equal to 11 by 3. That means x less than equal to 11 by 3 means 3 3 are 9. 3 point something, 3 2 by 3. 3.3 2 by 3 less. Therefore, this is the B will be, as it is integer given, less means this will be 3 point something. You have to write 3 less 3 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 dot dot up to minus infinity, and the previous one is up to plus infinity. Now next you have to find out A intersection B. So which is the common in the set A and B? The common element is only 0 1, no other thing. No, sorry, 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3 is the common. That means in between the two sets A intersection B means you have to find out the common element. Therefore A intersection B. A set you got how much? That is 0 1 2 3 4 dot dot up to infinity, and intersection B set you got 3 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 up to minus infinity. So what are the common part? The common part is 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3 the common. So common intersection means common element, 0 1 2 3. A intersection B, this one is called intersection of A and B. Intersection means the common element present between the two sets. Common element. This is the answer. In this way, number 32 completed. Okay, let us go next, number 33. Question number 33, it is given P is the solution set of minus 3x plus 4 less than 2x minus 3, where x belongs to natural number n. Q is the solution set of 4x minus 5 less than 12, where x belongs to whole number. And you have to find out P intersection Q and Q minus P, the second part. So first of all, solve the first inequation, that is minus 3x plus 4 less than 2x minus 3. Do one thing here, minus 3 bring this side, that will be 4 plus 3 less than 2x, and 3x you take that side, plus 3x. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7, and this is less than, it is coming 5x. After that means x greater than 7 by 5. 7 by 5 means it will be how much? 1.4. 1.4 say greater, and x belongs to, first one is x belongs to natural number. Therefore x will be how much? X will be 2, 3, 4. 1.4 is greater means 2, 3, 4, 5 up to plus in positive infinity, like this. And second equation given, that is given, second equation given 4x minus 5 less than 12, and x belongs to whole number 0, starting from 0. Then this will be 4x less than 12 minus 12 plus 5, minus 5 will take that side, that means x less than 12 plus 5, 17 by 4, means 4 point something. Therefore x less than 4, 1 by 4, if you make it mixed fraction. As it is given x belongs to whole number, therefore x will be how much? 4.4, 1 by 4 say less, means it will be x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4 you have tried. And this set is nothing but Q set. This one is Q set. As for the question, the first set is P set. This one is P. P set containing element 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. And Q set contains the element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first part question they are asking to find out P intersection Q. So what is P? P means 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity, and Q contains only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the common element here? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 common, no other element common, that means 2, 3, 4. Common element you have to write. Okay. And next, second part you have to find out Q minus P. The Q set contains 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus P set. P set means 2, 3, 4. That means from the Q set, if you omit the common element, that will be 2, 3, 4 if you omit. What is left in Q set, that you write, means 2, 3, 4 left, 0, 1 left. What is left in Q set? Q minus P means from the Q set, the common element you have to omit from the Q set, the remaining part of the elements present in Q set, that is 0, 1, the answer is Q minus P. In this way, number 32 and 33 have completed their slight hard type question. Could be interesting and technical question. Thank you for today's class.